Types of pathogen. Mini lesson. What are pathogens? A pathogen is a microorganism that causes disease. Types of pathogen. First, bacteria. Second, viruses. Third, fungi. Fourth, protists or communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are diseases caused by pathogens being transmitted between organisms. How are pathogens transmitted? First, contact. Second, air. Third, water. Fourth, food. Fifth, vector. Pathogens have a simple life cycle. All pathogens infect a host, then reproduce or replicate in the case of viruses. Pathogens spread from the host to infect another organism. Bacteria. What is bacteria? A single-celled prokaryotic organism that can exist in animals and plants. Some bacteria can be useful. Examples: tuberculosis, Lyme disease, syphilis. Treatment: a course of antibiotics. Viruses. What is a virus? A tiny infectious non-cellular organism. They replicate it inside living host cells. The examples: COVID-19, foot and mouth, influenza. Treatment: antiviral medicines. Fungi. What is fungi? A large group of eukaryotic organisms that includes yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. They can vary drastically in size. Examples: bees, athlete's foot, thrush, ringworm. Treatment: bee, antifungal medication. Protists. What are protists? A group of eukaryotic, mostly single-celled organisms. They have features that belong to animals, plants, and fungi. The examples: malaria, African sleeping sickness, giardiasis. Treatment: preventative measures, medications. Mini lesson complete. 5 types of pathogen. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.